Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is my FMS FCX24, which is a pretty popular car right now. But with mine, I've got a problem with it. So let me show you what the problem is of my car. So when I am selecting the high speed gearing, everything works fine. So forward, reverse. This is how it should work. But when I select the low gear, this is happening. Do you hear the extra sound it is making, like a clicking, grinding sound? That's not good. So I took it onto the bench to see what the problem was, and I took the gearbox out of the car and opened it to check all the gears, because the sound was telling me we had a stripped gear, and yes, we had. I'm sorry I lost the footage, but I still have got a picture of it, so let me show you that right now. As you can see, the gears are stripped. And that is causing a strange sound, but also it will affect the driving of the car. So yeah, let me drive a bit. Do you see the shocking movement? You see? And that's a big problem. So in another video I will show you how to repair those gears. I already placed an order of the new gears, but we have to wait until I receive those, and then I will make a video how you can replace the gears yourself. So if you're having the same problems or hearing a strange sound, or the car is not driving smoothly, I suggest to take the gearbox apart and check all the gears, and just to see if any are stripped. Alright guys, this was just a short video about my FMS FCX24. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.